How to cancel all friend requests in Facebook. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to firstly click on the this two human like icon. When you click on this, then here you can see the all your friend request. So I have only two friend requests, so you can so what you have to do to cancel the friend request, you have to click on the delete. When you click on the delete, then here you can see the request removed, the friend request is removed, so that's it. And here you can see this the friend request is removed. You can also if you want to also remove this request, you can click on the delete and then friend request is removed. So what you have to do is you have to you have many of the you will have the many of the friend request. So firstly you have to click on the delete and all the your friend request is deleted or cancelled. So that's it, that how you can delete a friend request. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video and comment below that it works. Have a good day.